Alright, YouTube. Hope you guys been out there believing in yourself, knowing you guys got some talents and abilities and putting them to use. So, Dad came rolling up in the dually, the free dually, and this exhaust is kind of rattling around. Got to looking under here. That's what the muffler looks like. Rattling around. It makes noise as you're hitting bumps and whatnot. So, we came up with a little plan to use a little piece of scrap angle iron up here to support the two pipes, and then we're going to cut off just past it and do some little turn downs, or we might not even do turn downs. We'll just leave them there. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm going to get this I already got it grinded and prepped and stuff, so now I'm going to hit it with some welds, and then I'm going to cut those pipes. Alright, YouTube, so the mufflers are cut off, which were blown out anyways. I ended up running this piece of angle iron out, and then I mounted this little cross piece so the clamps that go around these tubes mount to it, so they won't be jiggling, bouncing around. Upon further inspection of the pipes that we had, they were just too rusted and too holy and messed up to really use any turn downs or anything off of them, so we're gonna have to get some. But that's this step of this project completed. We can put the tools away, unjack up the truck, and start it up and let you guys hear it. Bad once you get into fit. I like it.